Oh, it's teeming down. Come on, Chops. Somebody sounds good. Is that a Lamborghini? Oh, I'm getting soaking. Oh, I don't think I've done my jacket off properly. Come on! What the fuck is making all that noise? Ain't no Lambo. Yeah, tell him, buddy! Tell him! Get out the fucking way! I think motorcycles should be equipped with machine guns, personally. We should be allowed to fucking wreak havoc. You can tell I'm a little bit biased. I do like bikes. You can get fucked, buddy. Alright, who's making all the noise? Because we like it. 09 plate. What are you? A Lexus! Oh, it's one of those straight six Lexuses. Haha! Fuck yeah, baby! Oh yeah! Oh, I love it! Sounds so good! Oh, is that my noisy friend? Go, buddy, go! Oh, you're so cool! There's not many cars in this world that are cool, but that one's alright. I love it. So I thought I'd take the Ducati Monster for a long ride. We've got all the right ingredients. We've got traffic, we've got freezing cold temperatures, we've got rain, we're 26 miles and counting. So that's good. We haven't run out of fuel. Being a Ducati, you'd expect the fuel light to be on by now. Mile 26. They gulp it down. Yeah, so this motorcycle has been a labour of love, fair enough. We've had everything from petrol tanks that are contaminated to over-tightened cam belts. I mean, it's just... oh, puking oil all over my workshop floor. That's a definite no-no. Alright, buddy, cheers. Come on, everybody. Don't you fucking dare. Don't you fucking dare. What a cunt. Inability to indicate, that's called. They didn't get the indicator pack with the car. Andy, you're going to have so much fucking fun on this bike, man. Oh my god. Feels like heaven. You feel the rear tyre is a little hard. Might have said that before. Another car that makes noise. Woo! I like it. Keep going. Yeah, I've really enjoyed working on this motorcycle. It's had its downs and it's also had its downs. But we've all learnt something, haven't we? People out there are so stupid. They put Yamaha carb kits in a Ducati and don't think to themselves, this isn't working, so I'll put everything back how it should be. Then it isn't working. What happened there? How? What? I can't even imagine a scenario. I can't. I know Yamahas are fast and everything, but I can't. My brain can't take that sort of nonsense.